how to zoom in on InShot app. So first thing first, let's open the InShot app, and I assume that you have already downloaded it in your mobile phone. So once you open it, you can see in create new section there is video, photo, and collage. So you can choose any of them. So let me choose the video for now, and you can select a video or photos from your gallery. So let me choose the video. So once you select the video, you can see there is a green button at the bottom right corner of this section. So just tap on it and make it done. So once you do it, you can see there is lots of tool in here shown in the screen. So just slide it to the left, and you can see there is a crop option in here. So just tap on that crop option, and once you do it, you can simply zoom in your video from here successfully. So you can see there is a Instagram 1x1, 4x5, so on. So you can also tap on this cube, and you can also zoom in from here successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to zoom in your InShot app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.